This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Annette Van Vliet. Brand new construction and move-in ready in the beautiful gated community of Timber Creek. Modern Berkly floor plan with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths and 1-car garage. First floor features an open design with kitchen boasting white cabinets, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, breakfast bar, dining area, family room, powder bath, spacious storage and tile on diagonal. Staircase leads to second floor which features a luxurious primary suite with walk-in closets, primary bath with granite top vanity, dual sinks, shower and water closet. 2 additional bedrooms with spacious closets, guest bath with shower/tub combo, granite top vanity and large laundry closet with washer and dryer. Timber Creek offers resort-style living with luxury amenities. Located in close proximity to RSW Southwest Florida International Airport, JetBlue Park, Gulf Coast Town Center, FGCU and much more. Be the first to live in this new home. Schedule your private tour today. For more information, review the details below.